So I'm going to demonstrate the bug-prone branch-prone Clang-tidy static code analysis check. So Clang-tidy it's a static code analysis tool for C++. So basically it detects the bugs and improves the code quality, and also it enforces the use coding standards. For developers, it also helps to identify the issues like memory errors and performance issues, styling violations in the early dev process, something like that. And in this demo, so I'm going to demonstrate bug-prone branch clone, Clang-tidy check, warning. So if I have, so this check will report warnings if I have any consecutive switch cases or if blocks with a duplicate code. So I will show you the model that simulate this warning when you execute bug-prone branch clone check. So I'll just open hello world capsule state machine. So here I have a T1 transition coming from state 1 to state 2. And if I select this, so it has more than one trigger. So basically I have 3 triggers. And also in a passive class state machine, so I have 3 states and 2 transitions. So these 2 transitions are in same trigger function, the tree underscore op function. And now, so I'm using this tcjs file to run Clang-tidy command from the make. So here if you see this editor target configuration page, the compile command, the default command I replaced with the Clang-tidy and the check is equal to bug-prone branch clone. So if I build this model, maybe I'll do clean build. Yeah, you see already in the console. So it is reporting warning. Yeah, maybe I'll expand a bit more. So it is showing warning in the class 1.cpp in this specific line. So it has 2 consecutive identical branches. And it is starting from here, line number 33, and it ends the block consecutive switch blocks at line number 48. If I double click on this warning, yeah, even in the generated cpp file, so it will show you this warning here. I think we can see one more warning for the capsule below. Hello world cpp. Yeah, here. Yeah, if you see in this switch case, so I have 3 consecutive cases with a duplicated code. So now we are generating the suppression and all-in suppression comment instead of fixing the code generator to generate switch cases without duplicate code. So just to avoid the risk, so now we are generating the golden suppression comments. I'll show you that. So to enable no-lint separations, so in the preference page dialogues under model real-time build transformation C++ preference page, we have a code compliance group. Here, this checkbox need to be checked, and even in the help, if you see, so we have documented all the supported Clang-tidy checks. Now, yeah, these are all the already supporting Clang-tidy checks at the end. So I have added a bug prone branch clone to the list. Yeah, I'll apply and close and rebuild this model again. Yeah, in the console, I think so we are not getting the warning messages already. And if I go to the generated CPP files, yeah, in the RTS behavior function for this hello world capsule, yeah, we can see it is not reporting any warnings reason. So at starting of this method, so I have generated the no-lint begin with a check name, and the end of this method, so I also generated no-lint end bug from blanks comment. So the same comments also generated in the passive class CPP file. Yeah, in this trigger operation, so I have generated yeah, this no-lint begin and no-lint end suppression commands. Yeah, that's it from my side. Any questions?